Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video we will talk about the affiliate program of Genspark. So let me take you to the website, which is Genspark.ai. For the ones who don't know about them, Genspark is an AI powered workspace that combines multiple AI models and autonomous agents into a single platform. Users can perform research, content creation, slide generation, image generation, coding, data analysis, and workflow automation from one interface only. The platform is increasingly popular among marketers, creators, entrepreneurs, agencies, and productivity focused professionals. So, what are you waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and see if you want to start utilizing them. But that's not exactly why we're here. As usual, we are here to earn money from Genspark. How do we do that? We simply join the affiliate program, start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we will end up receiving commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program, and to the consumer of which country can they promote in order to receive commission. No restrictions found for affiliate. So regardless of your location, you can apply to be part of the affiliate program. However, you would only be able to receive commission if you're bringing sales to them from the consumers of United States of America. Now let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website called Impact, or rather impact.com. What is Impact and what does it have to do with Genspark? Impact is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Genspark, you must join Impact as an affiliate. Impact call affiliates as publishers, so don't get confused. How do you get an account with them? Once you're on their website, look at request a demo from the top right hand side, click on it, it will take you to this page. Over here within for creators, influencers, and publishers, you can click on sign up as a partner and you can start with the registration process. Now I understand the many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate marketing network out there. Don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use impact.com affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free Impact affiliate account. Once you have an account with them, come to the website once again. This time, click on sign in, which will take you to the sign in page. Enter your username or email, followed by password, followed by click on sign in. It will then take you to something called affiliate dashboard or publisher dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to find the affiliate program of different brands out there, not just Genspark, but we will talk about the affiliate program of Genspark only. How do you find the affiliate program? Hover over Discover from the menu bar and click on Find Brands. It will take you to the section within here, ensure you click on All Brands. Within the search bar, start typing Genspark. Followed by that, click on Enter. You will be able to see the tiles in here with Genspark. Click on the tile and you will see this overlay window for Genspark. You may call it Genspark Affiliate Program Overlay Window. Once here, if you look at the right hand side within Promote, you can see on 20% commission. That's awesome. So that means whatever sale you'll bring to Genspark, you will end up receiving 20% of that as a commission. And if you click on View Terms, you'll be able to see the terms in relation to this commission rate. And if you click on details here, you can see the contact detail in case if you want to reach out to them. You can also click on this envelope icon and initiate the communication directly from here. Then you also got where they service, United States. So we were talking about it. You will only be able to receive commission if you're bringing sales to them from the consumers of United States of America. And then if you scroll down, you'll be able to see more like how they track. They track using unique promo code tracking, mobile site, deep linking, and of course there will be other way as well that we will see afterward. And if you scroll down here, you can see more program details. They have product catalog. They allow trademark. They are open to placement and also open to influencers. And if you scroll down here, you get to see a bit more details. But if you look at the left hand side, you'll be able to see some quick details about them for your reference. Now, let's say you've read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. For that, simply click on apply. It will open up another window. Over here, you can tell Genspark why you want to work on this campaign. Now, this is extremely important. Whatever you write write something good about you, basically explain your business model, it will help you to get the approval from Genspark affiliate program team. For me, I have already written. I'm just going to copy and paste here. In your case, ensure you write it as well. You can click on Genspark contract terms, ensure you read it as well so that after getting the approval, you abide by these instructions. Once you have entered your business model here, and of course you have read the terms, simply click on apply. When you do that, your application to the affiliate program team of Genspark would go. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they could give you the approval. It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks' time. Once you have been approved, you'll be notified via an email. After receiving the email, you can log into your Impact affiliate account once again. Once here, you can hover over Discover and this time go to My Brands. It will take you to this section. Over here, you would be able to see all your approved brands, including Genspark. Now, let's say you got the approval, then what? Then you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. How do you create or get your tracking link? You can come to the home page, and over here, if you look at the left hand side, create a link within brand and show you select Genspark. But since we are still waiting for Genspark to review and approve my application, just for the demo purpose, I'm gonna go with SEMrush. In your case, ensure you're selecting Genspark only. And then you have to mention the landing page URL. I'm going to copy this homepage URL from here, and then I'll come to the homepage once again. I'll put the landing page URL in here. Followed by that, I can click on create. What I will do, it will create a tracking link for me. It did not work out because I'm trying to create a tracking link of Genspark using SEMrush. In your case, assuming you're selecting Genspark and creating the link using one of their web pages, then it should work. And you'll be able to see your tracking link in here that you can copy and you can share it with your audience, with your traffic. Now, let's say you don't want to create your own tracking link, but rather you want to use the existing one. For that, you can hover over content. You can click on assets. It will take you to the section over here from the left hand side within brand. You can choose Genspark. Again, just for the demo purpose, I'm going to go with SEMrush. And assuming you have selected Genspark from here, you can look at the type of link. Let's say you're looking for the banner link. In that case, you can click on images. Otherwise, you can also explore videos, emails, coupons, articles, and more. Let's assume this is one of the banner from Genspark. You can click on this banner. You would be able to see the preview of the banner image. You can download and integrate it with your tracking link. You can also click on asset code and you can take the HTML link code directly from here and integrate it at the backend of your website. You also got get tracking link option. If you click here, you can copy the tracking link directly. So from here, you would get the image of the asset. From here, you could get the entire HTML link code. And from here, you can just get the normal HTML URL. So like this, you can explore all different type of link available and start promoting Genspark accordingly. Alright, so you learn how to get to create your tracking link. The next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. It doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by them, you can start promoting them, maybe on homepage, maybe on category page, whatever you feel like is more suited for your audience, for your traffic. Blog could be great here as well. You could create blog posts on Genspark, on different things you could do through Genspark, and that could work in your favor as well. Ensure wherever you're promoting them, be it website or blog, you share your tracking links accordingly. You also might want to focus on content related to AI tools review, productivity software comparison, or AI workflow guides. Then you got social media. Now, social media could be great here because on social media, you could create a lot of content. You could create videos, reels, stories. That's up to you. Ensure you share your tracking link accordingly. You may choose LinkedIn, X or Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, whatever social media tool that you're choosing. Ensure you focus on AI communities over there. Then you got AI tools website. As an affiliate, if you have such a website available, then it's awesome because people come to these kind of websites to learn about tools like Genspark. So that means you will have a higher conversion if people with the interest are coming to your AI tools website. You might want to feature Genspark over there, maybe on the homepage or a category page of your AI tools website. Other kind of websites that could be good here are SaaS review website or productivity software website. In case if you have such a website available, that is good. Otherwise, you can also try to promote them on other places. So these are some of the ways you can promote Genspark. But there's a problem most of the affiliates face. Promoting is one thing, but getting the right traffic is another. Because if you won't have the right traffic, you won't have better conversion. That means you will have lesser sales. So keeping this in mind, I have mentioned three top traffic sources for Genspark. First way is YouTube. On YouTube, you might want to create content surrounding AI reviews or demonstrations. These kind of content would attract the right traffic, which could then be led to your website, your online presence, or directly to Genspark website. Then you got Google SEO. Doesn't matter whatever kind of content you're creating, ensure you keep it as SEO friendly, especially Google SEO friendly. You might want to target keywords like AI workspace, AI agent, and productivity. This could get generic traffic, which are highly likely to convert as well. Finally, you got LinkedIn. So on LinkedIn, you can create content that basically targets professionals, agencies, consultants, and business users. So through these ways, you could get better traffic, which actually converts, which actually leads to better sell, and of course, you getting better commission. All right, so let's say you started bringing sales to Genspark. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the Impact Affiliate dashboard once again. On the homepage, you'll be able to see the quick stats like total earnings, total pending balance, and if you scroll down, there will be more details available. Like this will be a snapshot of your performance as well. However, to have greater details, you can look at the menu bar, hover over reports, and this time click on overview. It will take you to the section. Over here, you can apply different dates and you will be able to see the trend, top brand, top categories, performance by day, performance by referring domain, and performance by refer type, along with performance by month. You can also explore other reports like performance by day, advanced action listing on all the other reports. You could also use different features of the report. And all the commission that will be accumulating, you will be able to see on the top right hand side. As you can see, this is my commission. And if you click on this drop down icon, you'll be able to see the balance section. If you go to the balance section, you'll be able to see the segregation of the accumulated commission. In pending section, you'll be able to see your pending commission. Earning history will let you see your so far earning history. And invoices, you will be able to see the invoices that has been sent to the brands on your behalf. In order to receive this commission, ensure you update your payment details. And to update your payment details, you can click on the icon from here with your initial and click on settings. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can come to the finance section and you can click on bank account, which will take you to this page. Over here, depending on your location, you would get to see either electronic fund transfer as a payment method or PayPal. And whatever you prefer, you can choose it and give the information accordingly. In case if you go with electronic fund transfer, you can choose your bank location country. Followed by that, you can give beneficiary account name, account number, SWIFT code, and you can also set to receive this commission as autopay. You can decide a threshold or you can also decide a fixed day of the month. That's up to you. And after updating your payment details, you can expect to receive commission from Impact for the sales you have brought to Genspark. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Genspark. You apply to them, you get the approval, start promoting them, start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Genspark. As an affiliate, if you want to learn, if you want to grow better, there are some amazing resources that I've created for you. They're free as well as premium resources. You'll be able to find these resources in the video description. Simply check out those resources and get whatever you prefer. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.